is hectic out here. There's so many people. It feels so lively. It feels so fun. I'm not too sure what we'll find at the end.
Where are we actually going? You're not gonna like it.
Why does it taste like grass, bro? No kidding. Hey guys, my name's Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex. Morning.
Hi.
It's early today.
So early. We were supposed to be here a little bit early, actually, like 7:30.
Yeah, like half hour ago.
Anyway, we missed the trains, but now we're here at Fushimi. But now we're here at Fushimi Inari Taisha, which is just behind us, if you can see.
And if you don't know what that is, these are actually like the red gates, as you see behind us. But there's a lot of like smaller ones, and they're stacked, they're layered, and you can walk through them. So let's go and find them. Look at that, guys. That looks incredible. It's so red. I see people bowing, so let's walk up.
I mean, every shrine you have to bow before.
There you go.
They said to go on the side, as apparently gods go in the middle.
Oh,
so you have to walk in from the side.
Cool. The more you know.
So we're here at the Shinto shrine, and I've actually figured out how to cleanse or purify yourself. So you take your right hand into a ladle, your right hand, and then you pour the water on your left. Do it twice, and your choice to put it on your mouth and kind of touch it, and then you just wash your hands after that. So Cheno's gonna try it for the first time.
Yeah.
He hasn't tried it before, so
Yeah, I'll give it a go. Right hand, and then what do I do?
pour on your left.
Left twice.
Yep. And then, yeah, you can touch that. Yep. And then just clean your hands. Yep, that's it.
Touch my chin. Let's walk through. This is awesome, you guys. They've got like, I'm not sure, they're not the gods, are they? They've got something. Like let's show them what these statues are. It looks so cool. It seems that there's like a map sort of thing here, so let's go and check it out. So as you can see, they've got more of the Shinto, right? That's what they're called.
Shinto shrine.
Yeah, Shinto shrine. So as you walk up, there's more and more of the shrines where you can walk through them.
Every shrines they have this thing called Emma, so it's generally a wooden board that you can write your wish on and then your name as well. But this time it's a torii, which is the red gate. So it's just behind me.
Let's go.
So it's pretty cool.
Oh, that's cool.
So people write their wish behind and their name as well, and they just place it here for the gods to grant their wishes.
A few moments later.
We finally made it to the first set of gates, you guys. It looks so cool. It's not completely straight, so it goes off to the side and stuff. It's pretty surreal to finally be here to see it with our own eyes.
Yeah,
And
finally.
to walk through, almost. Damn, it's packed today. We thought we left early. It's only like 8 a.m., 8:30. But there's a lot of people already. So let's go in, let's check it out.
We just got ourselves some coffee because we are dead.
Yeah.
So Cheno got the black one, and this one's my favorite. So you can actually drink and eat at designated areas, nowhere else. So I think that's just paying respect. Before we go up to the higher areas, we're just gonna drink the coffee.
A few moments later.
We're going up the mountain now.
Yeah,
and I
that's
think
right.
there's more torii gates like this, right?
Yeah, that's right. There's plenty of these as you walk up the mountain. And as you go further up, there should be less people.
So apparently there are monkeys living here, which are a bit feral,
Yeah, no, aggressive.
aggressive, which
Yeah.
I'm so scared because I just don't like.
Yeah, apparently they bite and stuff. So maybe just, they say don't take pictures, don't aggravate them, just
Yeah,
ignore
just-
them. If there was less people, this would be a very relaxing walk. But you know, what can you expect? It's a Saturday. All the tourists are here. And even there's school kids. I didn't know they go to school on the weekends. So, is that a thing? I'm not too sure what we'll find at the end.
I
But
was gonna say, actually, I was just thinking, I'm like, where are we actually going? Because everyone's just going to the same way.
But I
So
think
we
it's just
keep
the
going up.
yeah. I think it's just the experience of
We're
walking
literally just
through these
floating.
gates. That's the main thing. The gates are huge here. Hey.
These ones are, and then you get the tiny ones, which
Yeah.
are shorter, and then you get the big ones.
So we started off with like very small ones. It was very cramped, and now we've got some big ones too. Hey, so a bit of both. This one's pretty huge.
I wish I can read Japanese, so I can read the signage here.
Yeah, so they've got like
Writings
Japanese
on
writings.
Each, yeah,
as
on
you can
each
see.
torii.
Yeah, there you go. See. Let us know what they say in the comments below,
There's
so
like
we can
a lot
learn.
of it though.
Yeah, let us know every single one that we want.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is a cool spot. Look at
Yeah,
this,
this
guys. It's just like a bit of a long straight. That's awesome. Okay, you guys, we've actually been here for almost 2 hours now. I think we're mainly taking photos and videos, which is taking up the bulk of the time. But we're at Mitsusuji Information, and it's
Yeah.
telling us that we can actually go close to, okay, not the mountaintop, but the crossroads where there's a viewpoint. But we're actually going to make our way down now because we've spent too much time here. There's different places in Kyoto that we want to see, temples and laneways that we want to show you guys. So we'll make our way down this mountain, down through these Shinto gates again. Where are we off to now?
So we're gonna go to Ninenzaka. We just had to catch a bus because I don't think there's train going there.
No, not there.
Yeah, so we're gonna take the bus, and then you can just pay with your Suica or IC card as well.
So we now got off the public bus and we're making our way to Ninenzaka and Sanenzaka. It's a bit of a walk from where we got off, but it's the only way to get there. But yeah, we're excited to show you. We're excited to see for ourselves, really. We've never seen it before.
So we're now at Sanenzaka Laneway, which is there's a lot of shopping here.
Yeah, it's like a shopping district.
and-
So now we're making our way to Kiyomizu Dera.
Dera.
I think it's a temple.
Yeah.
We're practically at the busiest spot of this lane. It is crazy, layers and layers of people. Wow, check this out. Okay, you guys, I think we're at the entrance, like the start of the temple. There's one there, and then the pagoda is that one right there, above my head. It is hectic out here. There's so many people, a lot of tourists like ourselves. But I love the vibe when it's alive like this.
Yeah.
It feels so lively, it feels so fun and exciting. And so, yeah, we're gonna explore this first one. So let's go in. Wow, look at this, you guys. I'm like trying to look with my own eyes, trying to film it as well for you guys. I gotta remind myself to enjoy it for myself too. That is stunning. That is actually, wow, what a nice view.
So grand.
Yeah.
It's actually so grand, and the walk there, the view is
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, look at that.
You can see it from afar.
So we're just walking up the
up.
steps, as you can see. And
Pay respect.
we want to pay our respects by bowing. I actually don't know if you need to do that.
It's pay respect
Yeah.
whenever you go through temples and shrines.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Yo, what? We can actually walk up to this pagoda, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Over here.
Look at it, ready? Whoa, look how high this goes. Boom. I don't know if you can tell, but
It is so grand. Like
yeah.
this. Oh,
The red
it's
is so vibrant.
Yeah.
The height is crazy in person. I've got my tight lens on right now, so
You can
Look at
really
that.
take nice photos here
yeah.
by the pagoda.
Yeah, for sure. Look at that. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so tall. My lens doesn't even fit it. Crazy. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Everything is so grand. Like I love the color.
Yeah.
It really pops from afar even.
Yeah, it really stands out, hey.
Yeah.
Even when we were walking down Sinanzaka Lane.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Okay.
Wow, that's stunning views of the mountain. Imagine if the autumn colors were in full bloom. I mean, this is still stunning to me, so this is awesome. There's a lot of things going on here and there's a ton of people. And so we'll walk around some more and show you. But we're under one of the buildings right now with a mountain view, the view of the city, and there's another pagoda off in the distance. It is quite beautiful. Look at these guys. That's awesome. That's awesome. So that's the other pagoda, very far into the distance, and we've got Kyoto City out in the distance over there.
So we actually made it here now at the tiny pagoda on the
Yeah.
other side of the mountain. So
Yeah.
before you saw the grand one, but
Yeah.
this one is a small version.
Yeah, so it's a bit smaller, but yeah, we made our way all the way to the other side, and I think that's pretty much it here. There's probably a bit more to do if we go down,
Yep.
like down the mountain, and before we exit. So yeah, let's keep going. We hope you're enjoying this video so far, all the cinematics and whatnot, because it's taking us a long time
Yeah.
to get through this area and the
It's
places we go to.
massive,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
huge. Plus like the added filming and photography time. So if you're enjoying this video so far, hit a like in the video. We really appreciate that. So yeah, we'll walk through some more. So we've been walking down further down Sanenzaka path, and you actually make it to
Hokanji Temple,
it's a
actually.
Kanji
Yeah.
temple, right? And so this is a very famous lane. So you can see there's a lot of people.
A lot of people taking photos and
Yeah.
videos.
But I think you can get lucky in the morning for sunrise. Highly recommend this place, but you might want to go early if you want photos without any obstructions. But it is awesome. We're gonna go walk through it and take you guys along with us. How awesome is that, Lex?
Actually, pretty good view.
Yeah.
I love how the lane ends to the pagoda.
In person, it looks huge. We've got an ultra wide lens, so it makes everything kind of small in the middle.
The beauty of it is these temples that we're going to, they're literally 10 minutes away from each other.
Yeah.
So you can just walk around in this area and you'll find a lot of sightseeing spots and temples, which is good.
100%. Stunning, look at that. So yeah, this whole entire area of Kyoto, so Ninanzaka and Sanenzaka, is all about food and shopping. Not so much shopping, maybe food.
More like souvenir shopping.
Yeah, souvenir shopping. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a drink, maybe some snacks, and we'll end the day soon.
Since Cheno mentioned that there's a lot of matcha cafes here, we're gonna try one, and it looked really good from the outside.
Yeah, we
so
walked
we're-
past this place earlier, so I was like, oh, we gotta go back.
Oh, it's called Matcha House.
Matcha house.
That's a little bit helpful, but this is just, what is it? Ninenzaka?
Sinenzaka.
Sinenzaka. Sanen.
Sanenzaka.
So confused.
Yeah, I'll find a seat.
We can go inside.
Yeah, we'll go inside. There you
Go
go.
inside or outside?
Inside.
We have iced matcha with chocolate,
Awesome.
and
Oh,
then
that's mine.
I
Yum.
got just an actual matcha.
Oh, that's cool.
I saw how they did it, and then I have matcha tiramisu and mochi. I think it comes with the drink,
Oh yes.
so it looks so good.
Matcha everything.
Oh my gosh, this is like our very first time trying authentic matcha, literally from a cafe
That's
in
awesome.
Japan. So we'll give it a try. Alright, so I ordered a matcha green tea. So it comes like this and it's warm. Let me try. This is literally the authentic green tea, matcha, because it is bitter, but it has that little bit of sweetness.
I've never
but
tried
not
it.
not from sugar or anything. It's just straight up matcha.
Oh, legit. Can I have a little bit?
Yeah, you can try.
She's only saying yes because of the vlog.
You're not gonna like it.
Why does it taste like grass, bro? No, I'm kidding. I thought the matcha was sweet.
No, only because they put so much sugar.
Oh, okay, so this is pure.
Yeah.
I don't like pure.
He likes his sugary drink like that
That's
one.
why I have this chocolate
Try
and
it.
whipped cream. Oh yeah, okay. It's not bad though. That's what matcha is. Okay. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. It's actually different, hey. It's not like super sweet, which I like everything sweet,
It's stronger.
but
yeah.
it's what matcha really is, and it's kind of cool to try it out. So, yeah.
Try the tiramisu.
Do I just scoop it?
Yep.
Oh damn! It's stuck in my teeth.
Okay, try it.
Okay. So I went deeper. Oh, there you go. Can you see that? Down there?
Yep.
Yeah, eat.
It's good?
Yeah.
I wanna try.
Wait then. Yeah, you can.
There's a lot of cream in this.
It's good, huh?
It's just dispersed in my mouth.
Yeah.
It's gone now. It's so yummy.
Look at that.
This is not your usual tiramisu.
So tasty.
It just tastes like foam, like all of it is just foam. It's
But the
yummy
flavor's good, huh? All right, let's eat the rest. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it,
though. And if you did, make sure to leave it a like.
because it really does help out tiny channels like ours.
And also subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified when we post our next vlog.
Okay guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.